Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching my channel, subscribing and liking. So I am back talking about my Tacoma again. As you guys know, I went ahead and installed the 2015 TRD PRO suspension, which are Bilsteins here. And one thing I noticed, let me get here, see if I can get right here. If you can see right there, let me try to point. The perch, there's two perches. And this is on the higher side, on the driver's side. Even on a full tank, half tank, or empty tank, I've noticed that this measurement that I've taken from my last video hasn't changed. The backs are actually even, dead even almost, by maybe 1/8 of an inch. But the fronts are about a little over ½ inch to a 5/8 inch difference. And it doesn't really bother me too much, but because I'm going to be installing 285, 75, 16 tires, a fatter tire, I think that gap's going to be more noticeable with a taller tire, a 33 inch. So because of that, I went and got this Headstrong spacer. This is going to go on top of the entire suspension where it bolts up, and it won't affect the ride at all, but it will adjust the height. So there's a math calculation, I don't know, I guess it's just a 2-to-1 ratio. So a 1/4 inch will equate to a ½ inch lift. So I'm hoping that I will get this ½ inch lift here without messing with any other corner. That's the goal, and this is a taco lean that everybody talks about. So I had ran out of battery on my install when I did my vlog, and I couldn't get the fronts in there, so I'm going to record what I do to get this back on, because everything has to come off, and hopefully this will help you guys. Get that out the way. Jonah, I told you it's too cold.
Can you watch the kids chase when
What? Alright. Is that too loud?
I'm scared.
Alright.
What's the noise?
Huh?
It's noise.
Noisy?
Uh-oh, what now?
Bringing the spacer back in.
Oh, that's it.
Get that angle. I want to see if this arm drops. Yep. Yep. You keep on going. Yeah, it's good. Keep going. Perfect. Thank you. Alright, so here goes the spacer. Like I showed you, you have to take everything apart. Now the spacer simply just goes on. That's it. Now I gotta bolt up everything.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Fixing?
Yeah.
Recording.
Yep.
It takes a long time.
So what do you gotta get? 3/14s here. Sway bar end length back. Make sure you tighten these A-arms. You're supposed to actually put it underneath with pressure and then tighten it. But since I'm getting another alignment, I don't really care. The shock bolt on the bottom, and then the two lower control arm bolts. And that's it. The spacer's in there. So I'm hoping that makes a big difference. Now I'm gonna put these wheels on and see. It's been raining and I got a little wet, but my Samsung S8 Plus is water resistant. So it's okay. I'm not, but the phone is. So now I've done it. I did a quick measurement. It definitely is in alignment because I didn't really pay attention to that. But as far as height, it definitely has been fixed. So it's a lot better now. And like I said, it's raining. I could have waited till tomorrow, but as you know, I have a tight schedule with my family, trying to get things done. It's probably not going to have a drip of rain tomorrow, but oh well. I'm going to go ahead and do what I got to do, working at night, working late, working any time to get these things fixed, so that way you guys can learn what to do or not do. I want to say thanks again for watching and subscribing. Got more mods coming in. Please keep an eye on it. Don't forget my Instagram at _robdaman. I put a lot of surprises in there as well that I don't put on YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out, guys. Hey guys, it's Robert. Oops. Woo.